Hey guys, are you to want to run your WordPress on your local computer first, customize it, then want to publish it on web? Okay, if you want so, then you have to download a software called Xampp. To download Xampp, you have to go to the web browser, open your web browser, click on search button and search Xampp. Here it is. The first link shows www.apachefriends.org. This is the official website for installing Xampp. Click on the link. We are landed on the official page now. Now, before we download Xampp, let me tell you what is Xampp. Xampp is basically a software which mimics the web server in your computer. Now to download it, scroll down to the page and you will find Xampp for Windows, Xampp for Linux and Xampp for Mac OS. You have to download the preferred software for your OS. In my case I have Windows, so I will click on this, click on Windows. If you have Linux, click on Linux. If you have Mac OS, click on Mac OS. And in single click it will start downloading. Wait for the complete download. So hey guys, here it is. I have successfully downloaded Xampp. Click on it, right click on it, run as administration, click on it and it will ask you to run or not. You have to click on yes. It will give you a warning. Click on yes, click on OK. It says welcome to the Xampp setup wizard. Click on next. Now it is asking to if you want to download all of these or select your preferred type. In my case I am installing all of this, so now I am clicking on next. It will ask you to set up the file location, leave it as it is. Click on next. Now click on next. As soon as it started installing, it will open a new web page, but don't worry, it is nothing. Click on the cross button and this is now showing you setup is now ready to begin installing Xampp on your computer. Click on next to install it. And here it is, the process is begun. It will take a while. Wait for a moment. Okay guys, we are about to complete the installation. It will create an uninstaller so that if you want to uninstall it after get done, you can uninstall the software. We complete. Yes, it is. We have completed the setup for Xampp. Now let me show you guys how you can run the software on your computer. All you have to do is click on Windows button, search Xampp, control panel. Here it is. Click on this. Select the language. In this case I am selecting English. Save. And boom, it is opened. To run WordPress properly on your computer, you have to click on Start on Apache. You have to start MySQL. These two have to start. Click on this. The process will be start. And click on MySQL. That's it. Minimize it. And open your browser. Open your WordPress to customize it. That's it for you guys. Thanks for watching.